This is the Roxon S501 or the KS knife scissor 2-in-1. The scissors are sharp. I cut some webbing with it. Oh yeah, pretty easily. Yeah, it cuts through this 1.5 inch nylon webbing pretty well. So I think you could actually cut a seatbelt with that. So it does cut pretty well. I mean, you can't get terribly aggressive with it. It looks like this is a weak point. And I've seen some pictures where this tab right here, you know, that cranked down too hard and it bent, slipped over the top there, and bent backwards. I've used it to cut quite a few things, and it cuts well. It's the same thickness as the Elementum 2 from Civivi. Don't know how well you're going to be able to see. The Elementum might be just a hair thicker. It is smooth. It is well made. It's 5CR15 stainless. The whole knife and scissors are made out of the 5CR15. It doesn't specify on their website or on Amazon. It just says 5CR15 stainless. And the blade is 2.95 inches. And the scissor blades are 1.8, almost 2 inches on the scissor blade. So it's a pretty good size pair of scissors. There it is. Roxon 2-in-1 knife scissor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next one.